I want to play a game.
Let's go, baby. Wolfpack shit. What up, yo? UBF. What up, yo? Check this out. Let's go, Wolfpack shit, baby. Listen, Bruno Mars, you know Prodi'G. You choke more than Bruno bars. And I drew luck, even with the luck of the draw. Your picture's ugly, sawed off buckshot shorty. I told shorty the buck stopped shortly. No safe sex, 12 gauge in orgies. With more than 2 pumps, I shut them down. I'm the champ every time that I spit around. First round KO is what I got. Bama's get knocked out with the first round shot. 12 gauge slug coming up under rugs. Where I'm taking stashes, the boxes, the masses. They gotta feel poke. I don't give a fuck if you like me. I will come through and burn you tonight, B, and that's what I do. The fire flowing you through, you motherfuckers running your mouth. I'm fucking representing the South. I hold it down for real. Bammers know I'm hustling them pounds in the streets, running the deals, and now you know what's up. Everywhere that I go, I got respect. I'm a man first. Bammers gotta blow. You's a hoe. Marquise is no beast. All I hear is Sasquatch feet when he speak. These motherfuckers know they in they feelings when they battle and poke. I'm no joke, I'm slicing throats. That means I'm giving them smiles, putting them in denial. Ben's light buggy eye when I hit trial. Bama know I'm suited up like John Gotti. Bust back, killing Bamas with the 12 gauge shotty. Probably the problem is me. Motherfuckers wanna stop me, but they can't see me like PAC when I rap the gift. Flip pack. Cap when I rap the spliff, motherfuckers want the fifth in the actions. This off the top when I murder motherfuckers for real.
Yeah. Check me out. I said it's Wolfpack vs TMP. That's what it need to be. I said I'm mobbing in the streets. I do it for Mob League. Since my soldier gone, from when I took my notes. And I got him in the boxing ring, I got him on the ropes. It's cool now, it's cool down. When the hype get loud, that's when it's moving around. It's Prodi'G, versus Prodi'G. The TMP vs Wolfpack, you know it's stamped. This shit's legit, shit's going long. We're doing what we supposed to. We uploading these songs, making them wrong, making them wrong. Hold on, my nigga, I'm making a song, I'm changing the tone, I'm holding it down. The big chest niggas ain't really around. They say they is, but they're really not. Prodi'G and Prodi'G, we all for the top. It ain't written. Shit, I'll probably prove it. You wanna see what I got behind here? There's nothing to it. Some niggas hating. That's just how it is. We do what we supposed to. It's like this when you get big. But I'm just going on and studying. I'm doing what I'm supposed to. It ain't nothing. My freestyles will keep me to the path. Just keep me on my zone. It should keep me from getting mad. And let me exert the energy. Posted it to my enemies. We only for the moment, for the battle, cause we some enemies. The circle of life, the circle of nice. The niggas are trying to merge it for the life. But it's cool, nigga. It's smooth, nigga. Learn from you, niggas. And then I do it for my own. And I prove it to you, niggas. That they said that I ain't gonna make it. But niggas writing the comments. I prove them all wrong. And I'm breaking niggas like comets. Disperse, disperse. Niggas don't rehearse. verse. When it's freestyle, I'm breaking niggas and leaving them in a hearse.